Most AI courses are lying to you. They're teaching a roadmap that was already dead before you even enrolled. The 2026 AI engineer isn't a data scientist, isn't a prompt engineer, and definitely isn't just a user. So, what are they? The market shifted in 3 distinct waves. And if you're still learning the first, you're already 2 behind. Here's the brutal breakdown and exactly where you need to position yourself by the end of this year. MLOps is the backbone. Without it, every AI system you build is a science project, not a product. Here's the core stack you need. CI/CD for ML, model versioning with MLflow or DVC, and monitoring with Prometheus or Evidently AI. That's your entry ticket. LLMOps is where most people think they're advanced, and where most engineers are still stuck. LLM Ops is MLOps, designed for large language models. You're not training from scratch, but you're orchestrating, evaluating, and deploying pipelines at scale. Here are the critical skills: RAG implementation, prompt chaining with LangChain or Llama Index, and this is non-negotiable, LLM evaluation with RAGAS. Because a model that can't be evaluated can't be trusted. Stop me right here. If you're still measuring LLM quality by vibes, you're not an engineer, you're a user. And now, the layer that actually separates engineers from architects in 2026, AI agents. Agent systems are not chatbots. They're autonomous goal-directed systems. They plan, use tools, delegate to sub-agents, and self-correct, and you need to know how to build them. The 2026 stack: LangGraph or Crew AI for orchestration, MCP for tool integration, A2A for agent-to-agent communication. The full architect stack runs all 3. This is what the market is paying for right now. Not prompt engineers, architects who can build end-to-end autonomous systems. If this roadmap makes sense and you want to go deeper, the AI Career Architect series covers every layer, end-to-end. Link in the description and pinned in the comments. Here's your 90-day execution plan. No fluff, just results. Days 1 to 30. Focus on MLOps foundations. Build an end-to-end ML pipeline with versioning and monitoring, then deploy it. Days 31 to 60. Build a RAG system with evaluation. Use RAGAS. Measure performance. Iterate until faithfulness crosses 0.85. Days 61 to 90. Build a multi-agent system with LangGraph or Crew AI. Give it real tools, real memory, and a real task. Then put it on GitHub. That's your portfolio. Engineers who understand all 3 layers, MLOps, LLMOps, and agents, aren't job hunting. They're being hunted. Stop being a user. Become the architect. Subscribe. Because next week, we're breaking down the agent evaluation stack most engineers completely skip.